Why night silence unlocks deep spiritual healing, biblical and psychological truth. How night silence unlocks deep spiritual healing, psychological and biblical truth. Have you noticed that some of your deepest thoughts come at night? That is not accident. That is not by accident. In the Bible, many spiritual encounters, healings, and revelations happened in the night. In this video, I will explain why night silence is spiritually powerful, how silence supports healing and meditation, as well as simple spiritual direction that you can practice safely, and why rest is not laziness but alignment. Stay with me because this teaching may change how you see your nights forever. So before we go ahead into this video, if this is the very first time you're finding yourself in this beautiful family, you're highly welcome. Please kindly hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always stopping by. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Don't forget to give this video a powerful thumbs up. And also, I wish to remind you that Awaken My Spirituality Global Academy is still admitting new students that is going to champion the apostolic and prophetic move of God. It will be an awesome experience that you come and join us, because the Bible says by the hand of prophet, God delivered the children of Israel from the bondage, and by the hand of prophet, he took them to their promised land. My dear, if you will enjoy the promised land of God, you have to access lots and lots of spiritual, apostolic, and prophetic knowledge that will help you to enter into your promised land this particular year. So, and remember that spiritual rose the physical, and the Bible says the good man leave inheritance for the children. The best inheritance you can actually leave for your children is spiritual legacy through this our lecture. So that's why it is good for you to come and join us. You can chat me up with the WhatsApp number playing on your screen right now, or check the pinned comment for more details. As if come on board, may God honor you. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Now let's trace the biblical foundation of this. Let's begin with Psalm 63 verse 6. It says, "On my bed I remember you. I think of you through the watches of the night." Jesus often prayed at night. Very early in the morning, while it was still dark, Jesus go up and prayed, according to Mark 1:35. Now, if Jesus pray early hours of the night, or stroke morning, and pray in the night, who are we not to pray, not to observe the relative direction? Now, let's look at this. Nighttime offers something daytime could not. That is silence. Spiritually, silence creates space for restoration. Let's look at the spiritual significance of night silence. Night silence restores the spirit. During the day, the mind is bombarded with information. At night, distractions fall away. Spiritually, noise drains and silence restores. This is why night prayer often feels deeper and calmer. So let's talk about how silence heals emotional wound. The Bible said in Psalm 4 verse 4, "Be still and reflect on your bed." So you need to know this, that night silence allows emotion to surface safely. Healing begins with awareness. Silence aligns the inner world when external noise reduces. Now, from psychology and manifestation, the subconscious is most active at night. Reflection strengthens intention, calm state, improve emotional regulation. That is why you have to be careful about the information you store in your subconscious in the daytime, because when you start sleeping, your part of brain called reticular cortex will begin to process all those information, and from those information, the things that are in your subconscious will be arranged to deliver for you. So if you are having negative intentions, those negativity will find you. If you are having positive one, those positivity will also find you. If you are thinking of negative things, those negativity will also hit you. If it is positivity you have in mind, those positivity will also hit you. So that is one thing you need to understand. And then You need to also know this reflection strengthens intention. Calm state improves emotional regulation. Science confirms this, that rest improves clarity, reflection enhances problem solving. Biblically and scientifically, night silence prepares the mind for healing and progress. So this is a spiritual direction that will help you to make maximum use of your time before going to sleep on daily basis in order to get everything you want. While you need to practice night alignment prayer 5 minutes before sleep. Sit or lie comfortably, turn off screens, sit in silence, acknowledge God's presence, acknowledge God's presence, release the day mentally, no rituals, no pressure, just awareness and rest. So you now speak this affirmation calmly. I release the weight of today. Peace restores my mind and the spirit. I am safe in stillness. Night affirmation should be gentle and not forceful. Now let's look at practical examples in the Bible. Jesus Jesus rested intentionally. The time he told disciples, many are coming and going, let's go and rest. Sleep improves emotional health. Silence supports mental clarity, and many therapists recommend night reflection. This is not superstition, it is restorative wisdom. In the days you feel heavy, your night may be calling you to rest, not to worry. So, night silence does not weaken you, it restores you. So, my dear, learn to be silent for some times before God, especially in the night or very early hours of the morning, and then get the entire blessings of the day. Destroy everything the enemy has done previously, and you will always be an overcomer. So, if you have not subscribed to be parcel of this family, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. Comment on this video. As you do so, may God bless you. So with this, I say enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy is admitting new students. Awaken Your Spirit, sponsor a soul, enroll in Ansgar now. Have you ever felt like your destiny was greater than your current reality? Do you hunger for spiritual clarity, divine power, and total life transformation? Then welcome to Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, a 12-week apostolic and prophetic spiritual journey led by Pastor Mrs. Jennifer Shioma Shidozie. This is not just a course, it is a calling, it is your spiritual home. Thousands have already encountered prophetic reality, healing, marriage restoration, and destiny alignment through Amsgar. Yet another cohort is beginning. Don't come alone. Sponsor a soul, be a destiny helper. WhatsApp us on +2348067917535. Awaken, ascend, arise, join Awaken Mind Spirituality Global Academy, where heaven meets earth and purpose is born. Get more information from the community and the pinned comment of our videos. God bless you as you come on board.